Ultraviolet light. Some call it the thunderstorm of light, or the silent light. EM waves are used all over the world, but you just don't see them except for visible light. To fully understand them, you have to look at an EM spectrum. This is an EM spectrum. As you can see, it has radio, microwave, infrared, visible, UV, X-ray, and gamma lights, which all have a very specific range of waves. These waves can vary from sizes, like how radio waves are almost as large as a football field or a building, and gamma waves are as large as a nuclei. So knowing basic knowledge about waves, you should know that ultraviolet waves are the coolest type of waves. Did you know that bumblebees are the only animal to ever see in ultraviolet? It also got its name because it is the light source closest to the violet portion of the visible light. Some things that have ultraviolet in them are the sun, stars, and black lights at your parties. Did you know that the sun gives off the most dangerous kind of waves, which would be ultraviolet light, but because we have an ozone layer around the earth, the waves bounce off of the ozone layer and protect us? Also, ultraviolet light shows us light rays to show differences in temperature or differences between light radiation and measurements. You can thank the sun with its ultraviolet light for those nasty sunburns. Something smells like bacon, I'm saying. The wavelength of an ultraviolet light is 10 nm to 400 nm. Some uses of ultraviolet light include astronomy, to measure how far the stars are from the moon and whatnot, fluorescent lighting, like black lights, curing chemical radiation, vitamin D, like oranges, helps get rid of bacteria off your skin so you don't get an infectious disease. Thank you for watching. This has been a great video about ultraviolet lighting, and that's exactly why they call it the thunderstorm of light, or the silent light.